Here with IDVHD, and today I'm going to show you the best ways to use and modify Siri on your MacBook Pro. One of the first ways you can use if you have a MacBook Pro with a touch bar is obviously use Siri on your touch bar. If Siri is not on your touch bar, you can actually go to System Preferences, go to Keyboard, Customize Control Strip. So now you can see Siri's here. So now there's the option to add Siri if you need to add it in there. You can even extend your control bar strip and modify that. The second way, which is universal across MacBooks, is to invoke Siri in the top right corner here. Press that, that'll start Siri and it'll get going. The third way is actually to use a keyboard shortcut. Mine is currently set as function spacebar, but we can change that. So go to your System Preferences, go down to Siri, and now first off we want to enable Siri. Make sure Siri's on. If you want Siri in the top right corner, show that there. And then the keyboard shortcut, like I said, I set mine to function spacebar. You can actually turn that off, use these three options, or even customize it further and choose the ones that you want. I hope that helps you guys out. If you have any suggestions on what you would like to see for the future, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, give us a like, subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you with our future videos.